Squad? You are now tuned into B.A.M TV. I'm Mari. This is Elena. And today is Mother's Day. So today we are going to take Mom to Starbucks and then we're going to cook her some breakfast.
Yes, today is Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day to all the moms. And today is going to be a fun day. Yeah, we're going to take Mom to Starbucks. We're going to cook breakfast, and we are going to...
We're going to give her Mother's Day present.
Yes. So happy Mother's Day to all the moms. And yeah, we're going to take Mom to Starbucks. We're going to cook a nice breakfast and give her the gift that you guys picked out. Bree, did you tell Mom happy Mother's Day yet? No. Elena, did you tell Mom happy Mother's Day yet?
So we got the Starbucks.
Yeah, look who got Starbucks. Everybody got Starbucks.
Everybody got Starbucks but Daddy because he don't drink Starbucks. But
No.
I got the caramel frap, and then the kids got the strawberry frap.
Yeah.
Yeah. Y'all hear Lena calling, so she gonna get the first one.
Yeah. Yeah, she loves Starbucks too.
Strawberry at the bottom.
Oh, she got a lot of strawberry at the bottom.
Yeah. Well, everybody got their Starbucks, and we finna ride back to the house.
Bree on that one. Look at Bree with the fingers.
Look at you. Look at you. Don't try to hide your face now.
This is true.
Look at them. She already drinking it.
Is it good, Lightning?
Look at her.
Hey, yummy. Oh, man.
Ooh.
So you got a lot of strawberry too?
Yeah, come on. You gonna walk down? You need help? Come on. Oh, you want me to pick you up?
Okay, guys, we just got back from Starbucks and we're about to give Mommy her gift.
All right, come on. Let's give Mom her gift. Y'all see the bag and say, love you, Mom. So, yeah. Here you go. Let's go give Mom her gift.
Let me see. Did you help buy this yesterday?
Bree act just like me.
Bree, why you hiding?
You high?
Ooh, that's some slippers.
Oh, nice slippers.
Ooh, mom boss. Yup.
Yeah.
Yep. Oh, these feel so nice.
Mom the boss. Mom is not the boss.
Y'all know, right? Ooh, candle. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. Ooh, I can smell it all day long. Oh, it smells good. Oh, y'all did a good job figuring that out.
Yep,
So
this is the gift that the kids picked out,
Thank you so much.
and they did a great job.
Y'all did do a wonderful job. Look, Elena's cooking my banana nut bread while I'm looking at gifts.
Oh,
It's a setup.
Lane, what you doing? What you doing, girl?
Best mom ever.
You good?
Aw.
It taste good? It good? Oh,
Oh, thank you. Love y'all.
Kamarian, Bree, Elena.
Thank you, y'all. Love y'all.
Love you too.
Y'all the best kids ever. Oh, I love you too.
That candle was the favorite one. I all the candles.
That
we
candle
smelled,
smells really, really good.
yesterday.
And I can imagine putting my feet in these after coming home.
Oh, yeah.
Coming home from work. They feel so solid.
Can't tell her nothing now.
Ooh, thank you. Ooh, they're so comfy. You want to try them?
Oh.
You want to try them? Lana said she want to try them on. They comfy. Are they comfy? Oh. Your feet just melting them, don't they? Yeah. Look at them rocking in them.
Okay, guys, it's time to cook breakfast, but we'll be back with some updates later. Bye.
Why y'all keep saying update?
Whatever, Bree.
Okay, so guys, breakfast is done, and we're all about to eat. We hope you have a happy Mother's Day, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.
Say bye, Lainey.
Bye.